Hello and once again, very, very good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible till the last seat? Yes? Fantastic, fantastic. Once again, very good afternoon to each one of you. My first and foremost duty is to welcome you all on the behalf of Bajaj. As you all know why we all have gathered here today, as we are witnessing this highly anticipated day, the grand and dhamakedar finale of none other than Bajaj Dhuniverse. एक बार हम सब के लिए, सारे कंटेस्टेंट के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए एवरीबॉडी। आप सबका बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस रहा है एक बार कार्यक्रम। It's Devan, please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Shankar Mahadevan. सर के लिए प्लीज जोरदार तालियां सीटियां होनी चाहिए। With sir, I would request our next leader, Mr. Ehsan Nurani. Please, उनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए everybody. And next in the lineup, our very special leader, Mr. Loy Mendoza. जोरदार तालियां सीटियों से स्वागत होना चाहिए everybody. Fantastic. As we have all the maestros, all three leaders here with us, it gives us immense pleasure to have you here on stage. Please, सारे dignitaries के लिए फिर से एक बार सीटियां तालियां जोरदार बजनी चाहिए. Come on. Fantastic.
अरे कुछ तालियां हमारे contestants के लिए भी रिजर्व रखो, हमारे लिए तो ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Indeed, sir. Well, without any further ado, we'll have a quick chat with all our leaders. Sir, I wanted to ask you a few questions. Audience wants to know, even contestants want to know, what is the X factor you're looking forward in a contestant?
हर contestant में एक X factor होता है. I think हर contestant में communication possibility होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पर जब खड़े हैं, तो audience को अपने दिल में उतरना is the biggest quality.
True, sir. True, sir. Would you like to speak on the same?
Well, absolutely the same kind of thing. The point is that you have to react emotionally to a voice, and जैसे हम सुनते हैं कि आपकी voice की quality कैसी है, कि आप do you have a different kind of voice? That is always a very big point to score on. But it's fun, and I'm looking forward to hearing all of you tonight.
You, sir.
A lot of heart, a lot of emotion. That's very important. It's part of the process.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, one more question. What is the criteria you're looking forward to the winner?
A voice that stays in your heart, a voice that connects with the audience, and जब आप एक गाना नया गाना सुने तो उस सिंगर की याद आए जिसकी आवाज़ आप सुन के लगा कि अरे ये तो नई आवाज़ है. A voice that's got an identity of its own. That's what we look for.
Yeah, that's very important to have an identity, and very important to also the technicalities of singing, where you sing well, you perform well, all these things are very important.
Strong character in the voice has to have a very definitive identity. Very important, because that puts you in a very special spot compared to being generic. To find your
Perfect. Indeed, sir. Certainly. One last question. What is that one final piece of advice you'd like to give to all 11 top contestants?
Well, I mean, उनको चुने हमने ही हैं, तो हम जानते हैं उनका capability क्या है. They're all fabulous musicians, और सबसे बड़ी बात है, each one of them गुणी कलाकार हैं. They've got depth in their music, they've got aesthetics, और मतलब सीखे हुए हैं. So वो ऐसे ही उड़ते हुए गाने नहीं गाते हैं. They know what they're doing. So we're very happy that a set of very, very talented 11 singers are there as part of Dhuniverse, Bajaj Dhuniverse. So give them a loud round of applause. Ab bajaiye Sriji.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, sir. It was great. After rigorous digital selection progress, the competition came down to the top 100. We have finally arrived at Elite Top 10 bout. What is at stake tonight? We aren't just crowning a winner. We are launching a legacy. The winner of Bajaj Dhuniverse doesn't just walk away with a title. They're walking straight into the recording studio for a dream collaboration and recording the official Bajaj anthem alongside legendary Shankar sir, Ehsan sir and Loy sir. But wait, the explosion doesn't stop you. They will also land an exclusive music album with Z Music Company. They who have been planning since months. They're all set for a performance. The stage is set, the instruments are tuned, the judges are ready.
मुझे इस स्टेज के कारण मोटिवेशन मिला कि मैं उसको लेके यहाँ पे आ सकती हूँ तो इस
वो संभाल रहे हैं, उनका देखभाल कर रहे हैं ताकि निधि रियाज कर सके, which is a very big contribution.
And best of luck. And स्वनिका ही बड़े होके भी एक बहुत बड़ी सिंगर बनेगी आपकी तरह. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. To bring this historic evening to its pinnacle, I now have the honor to inviting the visionaries behind this platform. Please join me in welcoming our chief guest from Bajaj, Miss Lakshmi Iyer, Group President Investments and CEO Bajaj Ultimates. Please put your hands together for none other than Lakshmi.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,